ListenAminute.com. Credit cards. Many years ago, I read that credit cards were the thing of the future. Credit card companies were telling us that plastic would replace cash. Well, this hasn't happened. People are still using notes and coins. The internet has increased the use of credit cards, but many people worry about putting their card details online. Lots of personal info gets stolen by fake sites pretending to be famous banks or online stores. Personally, I love credit cards. I always prefer to pay by card than by cash. When you use your card, you get air miles, and every 6 months you can cash them in for presents. I do worry about credit card security. I keep waiting to see a huge purchase on my statement that I didn't make.